Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will try to modify this search string. The criteria is it should start with ROY. So if I execute this one, so here you can see, so every name is started with ROY. So we need to achieve the same result with DAX. So we just need to use the same query here. So it is very simple in DAX. We just need to remove this filtering criteria, and here we have to write left, and the column is a customer name, and we need the left 3 is equal to Roy, and we just need to close it and click run. So here you can see every name is being started with ROI, and we are getting 42 rows, and the same is here. So another filtering criteria is, instead of starting, we can make this, we can write the filtering criteria like this. So this thing start with any character, but the ending should be with ROI. So let me execute it, and here you can see we are getting 2 rows, and the ending is ROI. So how we can get the same result in DAX? So instead of left, we have to use here right, and then we just need to click run, and here you can see we are getting again 2 records, and the ending string for the name is ROI. So this is how left and right string we can find very easily with the help of DAX.